Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So something arrived in the mail today that's going to be quite interesting. There's going to be a couple people in particular that are going to be more than interested in this. So without further ado, we're going to make this into a short, and I'm going to show you the Coleman Model 420 3-burner camp stove. Are you ready for this one? I know a person that's going to be looking at this going, oh my. And it's not in too bad a shape. It's got, like, I don't know, it's got the the rear rack for the provide the work surface. I'm not going to call it a towel rack because that's not what it is. It's got the solo dirt tank on it. So it's got this tank is huge. It's big. It's a big tank. Like, it's probably almost 4 inches in diameter. It's probably going to need to have that much fuel to feed these 3 burners. Now, there's going to be a bit of work going to be necessary here. Obviously, we got a bit of an engagement issue here. The nice part about it is, though, these burners, when you look at it from underneath, they're slotted from under, so they'll be able to be moved back and forth. We're going to move those forward all the way, obviously, and everything else is slotted. That bracket right there's got a slot on it. It's adjustable in the rear to move it forward. The grates, they're removable. I'll be able to hit those with the brass wire wheel so we don't get too aggressive with them. And yeah, all this stuff moves, right? No problem there. That's all good. Actually, I pumped it. It's kind of funny. Somebody must have been monkeying around with this, because I checked the cap gasket. It looked pretty near brand new. My impression is that this stove ran. Somebody ran it. Now, I don't want you to pay any attention to that, okay? Maybe they couldn't find the proper restoration label. But the Model 419 was the 2-burner model. This is a Model 420. I have actually procured the correct label for that stove when I get around to cleaning this up. I'm going to clean up the burner assembly, I think, maybe, and do a little bit of a tidy up on the case, but I'm not going to get crazy on it. But, yep. There you go. Feast your eyes on that baby. All right. Thanks for taking a look.